First things first, I am in Mexico. I'm with my buddy Arturo, and I have to make one powerful statement for all my Mexican friends watching right now. Looking at this YCM machine, I have been in some of the greatest shops around the world, making the most precise molds around the world, and this machine stands as a staple inside of those machines for quality and cost effectiveness. Now we're stepping into Mexico with Arturo. We're going to learn a little bit more about the relationship between YCM, YCM Alliance, and HEMAQ, as you guys have now transitioned a little bit. Arturo, what's it like so far bringing this machine down to Mexico?
Thank you, Tony. Well, I started with Kuma since 27 years ago.
27 years ago?
Yeah,
wow.
With HEMAQ. And 2 years ago, we decided to work with YCM. And I have a visit YCM in Taiwan last year.
You went there?
Yeah, I went there.
Wow.
So it's a wonderful shop. I love the machine. I love the Taiwanese culture, also the food.
Me too.
Yeah.
Well, let me ask you a question real quick, Arturo, and I'll let you get right back into that. I heard a rumor that they're making their own castings. They have their own foundry and they're doing hand scraping. Did you see all of that when you went?
Yeah. I was in the factory and I saw all the patio of the yard with a bunch of casting machine.
You said to me you've been doing this for 27 years. That's impressive because you only look 27 years old, so congratulations there. So you've been doing this for 27 years, which means you have seen a lot of machine shops. You have seen a lot of different jobs in a lot of different industries. Where do you think the YCM machine really comes into play in the Mexican industry?
Well, not only the construction and the machine and the powerful, also the service, support, and all the solutions like engineering, like turnkey projects, all that things is very powerful with YCM.
Well, you guys have been famous for that for a long time too. Your service is second to none. Your team is massive, and you focus on making sure that your customers are taken care of. So you've now applied that with what they do at YCM as well, right? So Mexico has been in the top 10 in manufacturing for a decade or two at this point, and you've been in the top 3 or 4 in the automotive world, which continues to grow, especially here in Monterrey. Do you think a machine like YCM really helps in that world also for anyone who's interested in working in aerospace and medical and automotive and defense and these aspects of manufacturing? Would a YCM machine work for them there?
No, we have a solution for any market, like you say, for medical, for mold and dyes, for automotive, for construction. Any kind of application can cover by YCM.
All right, Arturo, you are off the hot seat, my friend. I appreciate your time. First interview, I think this guy nailed it. For everyone watching right now, YCM's come to play with a known team at HEMAQ and TechniPro. So if you're looking for that machine that's going to give you the precision you desire with the cost-effective, budget-friendly price that comes along with it, reach out to my friend Arturo. This is the one that's helping mold-making companies around the world thrive at cost-effective prices. Reach out anytime. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, Tony.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Muchas gracias.